Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to install Eclipse Oxygen, JDK and JRE. First, you need to sign up to Oracle using your email ID. Then only you can download our Oracle products. How to download Eclipse Oxygen? Install Eclipse Oxygen using the below link. This is for 32-bit and we recommend you to install 32-bit Eclipse Oxygen. Okay, here the link is provided for 32-bit and this is for 64-bit. Okay, just copy this link and these two links will be provided in the description below. You can just click on that link to install this Eclipse Oxygen. Okay, let me show you how to do that. Just copy this and paste it in the browser. And here you can download, and you don't have to sign up for this. This is Eclipse website. For this, no need to sign up. Just click on download and it gets downloaded, and install the software. Just follow the steps, simple steps to install the software. And then you need to install JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. In order to compile Java program, you must install JDK. Download and install JDK. Use this link. Just this link will be provided in the description below. Just copy this link and paste it in the browser. Yes, in the URL field, and here you can and you need to log into this Oracle in order to install the software. Here you can see so many links, and just scroll down to see Windows 64. If you have downloaded if you want to download 64-bit then Java JDK, then you have to use this Windows 64, and here you can see JDK 8U271 Windows x64.exe. and if you want to install 32-bit, if you have a 32-bit computer, just install this i586.exe. make sure that you can see .exe, okay, while downloading and installing. So just click on this 64-bit and select this checkbox and download JDK. Okay, and it will ask you to log in. So you need to sign up before. If you don't have Oracle this one account, just sign up. And then if you don't have account, just click on create account. If you already have an account, just give your username and password and click on sign in. Yes, so once you click on sign in button, it'll automatically be downloaded. Okay, so it started downloading. I'll just cancel this because it's already downloaded in my computer, so I'll just cancel this. Fine, this is how you need to install JDK. What is the full form? Java Development Kit. And JRE. So this link is also will also be provided in the description below. Just click on that link or copy this link and paste it in the browser, and here you can see so many links again for 64-bit Windows 64, and here you can see .exe and .tar.gz. please install .exe file. Okay, for Windows 64. If it is Windows 32-bit, then install this particular thing, Windows x86, that is for 32-bit offline, and i586.exe. just click on this link to install. This is since I have that 64-bit computer, I'll install this one, 64.exe. okay, select this checkbox and click on download button. So it started downloading. Since it's already downloaded in my computer, I have just cancelled this. So hope it's clear now. This is about installing Eclipse Oxygen, JDK and JRE. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. JRE is used to run the program. If you want to run any Java program, you must install JRE. Now make sure that both JDK and JRE are installed on your computer. How to check that? Just check for command, open command prompt, and here you can just type java hyphen version. So this is how you can ensure whether Java is installed on your computer. Java version 1.8. This is what JDK, Java runtime environment. So now JDK and JRE are installed on your computer. Okay, Java space hyphen version. So, and just go to C drive to ensure the software is installed. Go to program files and search for Java program file, search for Java, and here you can see Java JDK and JRE. These two software are installed on my computer. Okay, so this is about installing JDK and JRE and also Eclipse Oxygen. Hope it's clear. Thank you so much.